I'm really excited because we are here at the guitar manufacturing demo station where we're showcasing the reality that digital resilience isn't just about IT and security, it's about OT. So James, tell us a little bit about what you're showing here with the team.
Sure, yeah, I'd love to. So first and foremost, we're showing how the different products from Cisco can be put together, the different business units, the compute business unit with our servers, Splunk, and also the industrial IoT networking products. And we do this with two things. We're tuning an electric guitar, and we're also doing a quality inspection station using machine vision and AI inferencing.
Well, one of the things I always love is when we get a chance to look at a really cool dashboard, and I have to say, this is one of the prettiest dashboards on the floor.
Thank you.
Walk us through a little bit about what we're seeing and kind of the insights that get surfaced in this demonstration.
Sure, so we're taking data from all the different components inside the machine itself, and we're building out two halves of a dashboard. The first half on the left side is of the production data, and we start small, and we work our way up to get some overall arching insights. And what we're trying to do is enable better, more efficient outcomes for the actual machine and production.
Well, I do love it because you start with the lower level infrastructure, which is really important. You got to have that view.
Yep.
And then we get to the business outcomes that matter. And that's a lot of what we talk about this week is really connecting that digital resilience story to be about connecting to the business outcomes. You know, one of the things that's super fun about Conf is we always make it experiential. So we're not just showing guitars being tuned, but you're inviting people to rip on these things?
Oh yeah, absolutely. We put them in here because we wanted this to be a fun, interactive experience. So stop by and rock out.
Love it. All right, let's check out this other station.
Yeah.
All right, so now we're over here at this AI vision inspection station. So we're checking out quality metrics. Talk to me about what we're showcasing here from a tech stack and from a manufacturing perspective.
Sure, absolutely. So what we're doing is we're taking 5 images of the guitar itself, and we're using the AI inferencing to actually look at the images and look for scratches and dents on the guitar so we know whether or not it can be packaged and shipped out. And these images are all shown up here as they take place on the dashboard.
Well, it's incredible because you want to connect that quality process to manufacturing. You got to make sure you're shipping good products. And it's neat too because I love the fact that we're showcasing not only the Cisco infrastructure, but even that Splunk Edge Hub that's actually helping bring all those industrial controls protocols together.
Yeah.
That's super cool. And the Dashboard Studio gives us this real-time images. That's a new thing for us.
It is. And the other thing we need to point out too is that this is showcasing an industrial network or the OT side. And this OT network is changing with all the new AI tools and all the new virtualized PLCs and things like that. So we're building products here at Cisco to adopt and to enable all those new things.
All right, this is a super cool application of AI for OT success. Let's go check out the other side of the manufacturing line.
Let's do it.
And so now the guitars have been past the quality check, but we got to make sure that they play as expected. So tell us about this robot and what it's doing here.
Yeah, sure. So the robot is actually tuning the guitar. So it comes in, it plucks a string, and then we use some fancy stuff over here, boost pedals and amplifiers, to send that information down to a virtualized PLC. Then all this information tells the robot which way to turn the peg based on what frequency was played.
That's wild. And we're making sure that we're keeping an eye on the robotic arm and make sure that it's healthy and performing as it should, using Splunk's operational technology intelligence platform here. Tell us a little bit about what we're seeing on screen.
Yeah, absolutely. So what you're doing is you're seeing the actual frequency that's being plucked, that's being read, and then you're also seeing the motor currents from each axis of the robot itself, so we can monitor that for life expectancy and those types of things. Again, enabling us to make better decisions, enabling us to have a more consistent maintenance schedule, et cetera. So it's all about supporting it.
I got to ask, tell me about the bandana.
So we nicknamed him Axel. That's the name of our robot.
Well, James, thank you so much for the show, man.
Pleasure.
Enjoy.
Thanks, Cory.